the durian. Durian eating. It's not a challenge for me because I love eating durian. This like intense ice cream, very creamy. I like it. I started eating durian when I was in China with Nanay Jean, Mary Jean Dumandan. She's one of my colleagues. She's one of my bandmates. We're both vocalists, and she asked me to try eating durian because in the nearby shop, these are very cheap. They are always displayed in front of the store. They're already open. You just have to choose which one you'd like to take home. They sell them for 8 RMB, which is 8p each. Very cheap. But they come in a little styrofoam container. They're covered in a plastic wrap. They come in 2s or 3s, like this size, for 8 RMB. Very yummy, guys. When I tasted it the first time, it tastes weird to me, like, what is this? And then I tried finishing the first one because it comes in threes in one pack. I tried to eat the whole one. I tried to eat the entire one piece. Then when I finish eating it, I want more, and then at the end of the day I finished all, and I'm always asking from her because she has plenty of stock. Or if you get bored, you go downstairs. Our apartment is on the 11th floor. They have escalator, so it's easier to go down. It's yummy, but in the UK it's very expensive. £8 for 3 pieces in one container. If you're gonna convert it in China, where I used to buy it, it's 80 RMB, which is 10 times. How can I complain? This is Europe, that it's Asia. It's easier to acquire durian in Asia than in Europe. Okay, guys? I super love durian. So this is not a durian challenge. This is durian eating video. Yum, yum, yum. See you.